I am Mohanlal Pereira from Study Guide. This is another video designed to make hard to memorize things easy. I have named this as trigonometry because this is close to palmistry which use the palm. Now we'll continue. Sine, cosine, tan ratios of angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 are needed in many applications and students are expected to memorize these. Many students mix these ratios. Today we will see how we can get these ratios using our fingers. Step 1. Open your palm. Draw lines. Mark angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now add finger signs. These finger signs are numbers 0 for the little finger, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to thumb. These numbers I have called finger signs for a particular reason. Now we can recall the finger names: little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger and the thumb. Now we know this. The little finger leads to angle 0, the sign is 0. Ring finger is denoted angle 30 and the sign is 1. Middle finger refers to angle 45, the sign is 2. Similarly, index finger is angle 60, sign is 3. Thumb gives 90, the sign is 4. The step 4. Sin theta is equal to square root of finger sign divided by 2. Now you can realize why I have used the word finger sign. Sin theta is square root of finger sign divided by 2. Now we can fill this table. Sin 0. Finger sign is 0. Square root of 0 over 2 is 0. Sin 30. Finger sign is 1. Square root of 1 over 2 is half. Sin 45. Finger sign is 2. Square root of 2 over 2 is 1 over root 2. Sin 60. Finger sign is 3. Square root of 3 over 2 is root 3 over 2. Sin 90. Same way. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. Now to get cos theta, we can reverse the sine table. That means we can write sine table starting from 90 upward to get cos 0. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, or cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2, cos 45 is 1 over root 2, cos 60 is half and cos 90 is 0. Now tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta over cos theta. So tan 0, sin 0 over cos 0, 0 over 1 which is 0. Tan 30. Half divided by root 3 over 2 which is 1 over root 3. Tan 45. 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2. We divide two equal things, our answer is 1. Similarly, tan 60 is root 3. Now we are left over with tan 90. Tan 90 is going to be 1 divided by 0. When we divide something by 0, we call it infinity. And we know infinity is not the exact value. So we, other hand, write it as undefined. So now we have got all these tables. So we can summarize this as given. We can very easily recall the angle which each finger leads to. Then finger signs starting with 0, that is the little finger, and your thumb is 4. It's very easy. Sin theta, square root of finger sign over 2. Once you have sin theta, you reverse the sine table to get cos table. And using sine and cos, you can get tan table. So now we have trigonometric ratios at our fingertips. Thanking you. This is brought to you by Study Guide.